Abracadabra Chumantar. So, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deepakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and other craft items. So, I hope आपको इस स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा सा आइडिया मिल गया हो कि आज की वीडियो किस बारे में है. अगर मिल गया है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, अगर नहीं मिला तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको मैजिक करना सिखाने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आप मैजिक करके किसी को भी इनविजिबल बना सकते हैं. So without wasting much time, let's just get started and see how to do this magic. So I just hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. Oh, by the way, have you seen that video in which I have shown you how to make Sacred Games characters? If you haven't seen it, don't worry, I will mention a link of that video in description of this video, and please go and watch it and tell us about your experience in that as well. Thank you.